Tim Tebow, is there a role for him on this Philadelphia team? I've heard.
Then you reach out to grab him and he runs through the arm tackle.
Tebow throws it on a looping pass to Mostert. First down and a whole lot more out of bounds with 19 yards on the catch and run.
Well, you know what happens is the Jets forgot to pick somebody up here. And
sometimes the business part gets in the way. Tebow under pressure. Riley had a chance at him. And Tebow the tuck and run. Down the sideline, Tim Tebow.
Makes a real good play here, bottom of your screen. Beats him, uses his hands, gets his hands out, misses Tebow. And then what appeared to be a wonderful play by Trevor Riley turns into be a 17-yard game.
Tebow operating out of the gun. Fires it. End zone. Hauled in. Touchdown. Rashid Bailey.
They got linebacker outside. All right. That's got to be McDougal's play.
7 plays, 85 yards. Tebow pumps the fist. Philadelphia has the football. Tim Tebow is back in for the Eagles. He's got plenty of time. Airing out, deep ball separation. It's caught. Freddie Martino.
Well, I'll tell you what made that little play action, man up, safety biting on the wrong guy. So
on fourth down, Tebow rush coming, avoids it. Tebow looping. Tebow throws to the end zone. It's caught. Touchdown. And the toes of Martino. All scoring plays reviewed.
That's a good catch.